we offline services are taking Emirates as our brand. And the next slide, Rashmi, please. Yeah, so the market share is 28%. It was started in 1985 with the help of the UAE government. It supplied revenue for it for like 5 years. Then the Emirate was given to the trust and then to the private sector. The next slide, please, Rashmi.
Rajveer, sorry. Yeah, sorry.
Krishnansh.
So this is the value curve. We have taken reason.
Yeah.
सर बार ऑटोमेटिकली ऑफ हो जा रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों.
नहीं ठीक है. No, I just changed the security account to guys. Now if they don't get
सिक्योरिटी से कुछ हो रहा है सर, शायद तो कुछ आपने जब चेंज किया उसके बाद ऑटोमेटिकली
I just changed the waiting room.
पता नहीं सर.
Sir, it says you have disabled screen sharing, so just enable it.
Okay. Screen sharing is on with me.
नहीं सर, मल्टीपल पार्टिसिपेंट्स वाली.
Wait a minute.
Sir, or else make one of these guys the co-host.
So I made him a co-host. That's what I made the Rajveer.
No, I'm not the co-host, sir.
No, sir, he's not the co-host.
Where maybe कुछ हो गया होगा. Just I said I'll just appoint you the host again. Just one sec.
Yes, sir.
I'll make Palak the host also. Both can be made.
Yes, sir.
So I can only make now or you can make. कैसा है?
क्या चीज सर? You can
host
make.
करने के लिए.
हाँ, मैं बना देता हूँ सर.
चलो, go ahead.
हाँ सर.
Now I've taken all these guys in. Now I'm locking again. Now don't blame me, Krit.
No, sir. I won't.
I don't think they have come in. If they don't come, not my problem, boss.
Yes.
Now I'm not opening it again.
Yes.
I'm locking it. Let's be clear. फिर आ गए सब.
Sir, can you see my screen?
I can see your screen.
Yeah.
But ये lock, ये आ गए क्या सब? Just tell me that first.
Sir, मैं मुझे दिख नहीं रहा.
Sir, मेरे पास सिक्योरिटी का नहीं है अभी. अभी आपके पास एडमिट का बंद कर दो. आ गया सब फिर आ गए ना?
Yeah. Yes, sir. I think so.
Let's start.
No, just close this first. Waiting room चालू करो.
अरे चालू है सर, लॉक कर दिया.
Are you sure?
Yes sir, चालू.
This is the value curve and reason for buying our price, comfort, prestige, entertainment, and service quality. And the things which we have taken are travelers, holiday travelers, weekenders, and budget conscious people. So for business travelers, for them the service quality is first, then comfort, then prestige, then price, and then entertainment. We have mentioned over that from most important is 1 and least important is 5. For holiday travelers, sir.
No, fine, go ahead. I can see that now, boss. What you should have done is just highlighted that 5 thing. So we would have understood that holiday traveler, weekend traveler, and budget traveler is the. But is business traveler not your segment?
Sir, it is.
तो ये थोड़ा गलत लग रहा है मेरे को. Holiday and weekend should have been same, na?
Yes, sir.
And what are the reasons to buy? So entertainment is the reason to buy and prestige is the reason to buy. बराबर ना?
Yes, sir.
बस दो ही बोलने का उत्तर.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, ठीक है. चलो आगे.
Next slide. So here is the perceptual curve. In this we have taken.
No, but tell me, how have you taken the perceptual curve based on quality and price? When your reasons to buy are prestige and entertainment.
No, sir. Can you show the previous slide? Sir, we have quality and price as our.
Where is quality and price there?
So price at the top and quality at the bottom.
But quality is 1 and 2 ranking. Why should you take that?
So, but those are
But entertainment is 5 ranking, 4, and then prestigious 3, 5, 5, 5.
those are least important. 5, 4, 4.
Acha, 5 are least important. 1 is most important.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
So in left hand side bottom corner, we have mentioned that.
Correct. Fine. Yeah. So, would you think Emirates would offer price and quality in on what? But what is quality? Quality means what? Service.
Service qualities which they are offering.
So does service not consist of comfort and entertainment and the food and the experience?
Yes, sir. It consists of that.
So then, I'm not understood. Anyway, but see, ultimately, if we wanted to have price and quality, why take up like Emirates? I don't think sell on price and quality. They are real super airline. They give you a lot of things. The service is fabulous. So maybe service, prestige, and price could have been there. So service includes entertainment and everything.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, chalo, theek hai, good.
Next.
Go ahead.
So, sir, in this perceptual curve, we have taken quality and price. So, Emirates and Lufthansa come in the high quality and high price segment. British Airways comes in the low quality and high price segment. Air India comes in low quality and low price segment. Indigo is in comes in high medium quality and medium price.
Yeah. So
yes, sir.
So where would you slot now? Why do you do this perception curve?
For targeting.
Yeah. So where would this come now? Emirates on the top right.
Oh. So, yes, sir. It will come in
Fine.
high quality and high.
Fine.
Yes. Next slide.
Actually, the next slide again.
Good, huh? Nice. Krishnan.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
So these are Emirates competitors. So Qatar Airways is the number one competitor, and Qatar Airways focuses on the comfort and their reliability. They target upper middle class passengers, and they position themselves in the market as a premium international airline. The second competitor is British Airways. British Airways segment targets the segment of passengers preferring comfort and reliability. They also target business travelers and upper middle class travelers, and they position themselves in the market as a UK-based airline.
पैशाल नाही करा दरवाजा पण लॉक करा पटकन रोटीचा
There's no other difference, right? Everybody is the same. Is that what you mean, Chris?
No, sir. So the thing is, it's UK-based. So passengers who have business in the UK travel by British Airways because wherever they're going, they'll have a stop in the UK. So that's another.
Fine.
Product mix. So Emirates provides its services to its customers to mix fleet in its product range like Airbuses and Boeing, and it has maintained its legacy by the use of airplanes of big size. It offers first class, business class, and economy seats. It offers its first class passengers with adjustable seats, which can be converted into a bed. And for business class passengers, yes, sir.
No, I didn't say anything.
Oh, for business class passengers, it can have partitions for security, and for economy passengers, it has leg space, and it is the first airline to give its passengers private suites and shower facilities, and the airline has multiple flying services for the travelers. Next slide.
Nicely done. I thought for a minute you were to read everything, but you didn't read. You just spoke.
Thank you, sir. Place mix. Emirates operates mainly from Dubai Airport and flies over an estimated 35 airlines on a weekly basis. Its global network is spread through 6 continents and 78 countries and 142 cities. It uses its strategic hubs to maximum benefits. The position of Dubai brings strategic value as it links west and east and provides direct flights. Emirates Airlines also have introduced many new flights that are short and have proved to be advantageous for the customers. They have been able to penetrate new markets because of its increasing size of fleets, and the distribution strategy of Emirates Airlines includes allocating and distributing flight tickets through travel agents and tour operators.
What about mid-depth coverage reach?
What, sir?
Mid-depth coverage reach.
With depth, cover and reach.
None of the groups have done this.
No, sir.
What? Was it an option, Arnav?
We did the depth.
So we did that.
Exactly.
So we have done.
Others are very casual, so we'll give more marks to the groups who have done. Very good. Arnav's group, why have you not done?
So let me check.
Sorry, what? Let me check. But you know or not know?
So we have.
Price
It
mix.
was better not to speak now. Hey, price mix is different.
Sorry, I'm
Okay, you are presenting. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So may I start?
Yes, please.
हाँ तो Emirates follow a low cost thing, low cost route thing. So basically, like for the in-house, like in country UAE for interstate exchange, they cost low, but they generate revenue through volumes. Like through volumes, they generate revenue. They also have a premium pricing for premium customers who demand luxury and customized services. They have a flexible dynamic pricing, which means the people who are willing and ready to pay at a particular time, from them they price higher. They charge higher cost per seat. The next slide, please. Yeah. Difference between what is promotion and penetration, skimming and penetration. Skimming basically is a pricing approach in which producer sets a high introductory price to attract buyers with a strong desire for the product and have resources to buy it, then gradually reduces it to attract the subsequent layer of the market. The most correct example for this would be Apple. Like Apple launches its products with a premium price, but soon in few months the prices drop doors for the other types of buyers. Talking about penetration, is used in new businesses to attract customers by setting low prices. The best example is Netflix, because it provides a free month trial for 1 month when we start, and then gradually starts charging. People are ready to pay it because Netflix is providing good services. The next slide, please. Talking about the promotion mix, Emirates Airline has launched promotion campaign which is way too competitive. Their tagline is "Fly Emirates, keep discovering." Emirates believe in offering discounts off-season to gain more passengers. In order to reach a diverse segment of the consumers, they advertise. The advertisement has been placed in magazines, newspapers, billboards, radios, televisions, and on their website, which is for more than 9 languages. They have also sponsored events like 2011 and 2015 ICIC World Cup cricket. They are also the official sponsors for the football club I'm so sorry. Anes. I can't pronounce it. Sorry. Arsenal, yeah. The company also launched a special but limited package for kids as a part of their promotional activity. Under this scheme, the parents were allowed to travel with 2 under 16 aged kids. The tickets, meals, and accommodation for these children were free. Only if 2 adults are accompanied. It was called as the Kids Go Free campaign. This proved to be a very successful campaign to capture Emirates shares worldwide. Emirates also have a non-promotional, non-NGO, that is Emirates Airline Foundation. They contribute in the world, like wherever there are natural calamities or any tragedies happening. Emirates Airlines contribute there. Next slide, please. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.